Welcome back, everyone. We've certainly missed you this semester at the Oak Cafe, whether you're taking classes or you tend to come and join us and eat at the restaurant, or you just want to learn a little bit more about cooking. I wish we were in person. But if you're like me and you've been at home for the last several months, you find yourself doing a lot more cooking. And I'm also incredibly busy, and I suspect a lot of you are too. So today I've come up with a beautiful fall pasta. One of my favorites. It's my go-to dish here at home this time of year. So we're gonna make a really simple, really fast pasta. I like to use spaghetti with bacon and Brussels sprouts. I hope you enjoy. All right, as promised, one of my favorite, very easy pasta dishes for us today. So I've started with about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I added 2 slices of bacon that I chopped up into pieces, and we went ahead and kind of rendered the fat out, meaning we melted some of the fat out of the bacon, so we've got a good amount of oil in this pan right now. I'm gonna be honest with you, there's 2 secrets to really good pasta in a restaurant. One of them is fat, so that's olive oil or butter or something along those lines. And the other is going to be pasta water, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. So once I've got my bacon nice and I'd say about 3/4 of the way cooked, because we're going to keep cooking this for another minute or two, nice medium heat, we're going to go ahead and add about 2 cups of shaved Brussels sprouts. These are really easy to cut up and to cook. I know that Ina Garten likes to do them in the food processor, so you can certainly do that. And we're just going to get those nice and coated with our fats and cook them for just a moment until they start to become tender. Now, if you've sliced them nice and thin, it really doesn't take that much time to get those to be nice and tender. Meanwhile, you can be boiling your pasta. We've got about 6 ounces of spaghetti today that we boiled, so that was 6 ounces raw. We went ahead and boiled that. Really important, when you boil your pasta, make sure that you've got lots of salt in that water when you do it, okay? These are getting nice and beautiful, slightly soft. I want to give them just a minute. And then before they're done, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of garlic to this. Now, really important concept when you're cooking is we want to add garlic later in the cooking process, never at the very beginning, because garlic is going to burn relatively quickly. So we want to get that flavor in here, but we don't want it to burn so that it becomes overpowering or bitter. All right, that's starting to look really beautiful. The aroma is lovely. We're going to add just a little pinch of red pepper flakes to this. You can add as little or as much red pepper as you want to it. I know that mine's out of my garden, so it's particularly hot, so I'm just adding a little bit to it. All right, my Brussels sprouts are pretty tender at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and add the spaghetti. I've pre-cooked my spaghetti. Just finished a moment ago, so we're gonna go ahead and add that to the pan. Go. All right, give that a nice little stir. And then I told you the other secret here is going to be some of our pasta water. So I saved some of the water. I saved about a cup. I'm going to start by adding about 1/2 cup, 3/4 of a cup to this. Give that a little stir. We're going to add about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, whatever you like, of Parmesan cheese. Give that a nice little stir. That Parmesan's going to start to melt. You're going to have that starchy water from your pasta, which is going to kind of create our beautiful little sauce. And there we go. Simple, easy, beautiful spaghetti with our Brussels sprouts and bacon. Make sure you get the Brussels sprouts and the bacon in there. There we go. Wipe off the edge of the plate. Top off with a little bit more of our Parmesan cheese. And then I am a big fan of some nice pepper over the top. That couldn't be any easier. I hope that you enjoy. Have a great week. I hope this is your dinner this week. Super simple, beautiful, delicious autumnal. All right, I'll see you later.